Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on the topic of calls to share genetic data fairly and promote conservation biodiversity. And before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start the video. Scientists from the 17th century have published their thoughts on ongoing UN policy discussions around the sharing of digital sequence information to support conservation efforts. Scientists urge for a sensible international policy solution for sharing genetic data known as digital sequencing information to help support biodiversity conservation. Members of the global scientific community, 41 researchers from 17 countries, including those from the Wellcome Sanger Institute, have come together offering their thoughts in the policies discussions that are currently taking place under the United Nations UN Convention on Biological Diversity. They have detailed their thoughts in a newspaper published today, 23rd of February, in Nature Communications, where the researchers explain why a policy solution on digital sequence information (DSI) is urgently needed. They purpose a mechanism that would support biodiversity conservation while also better sharing the benefits of DSI research. There is widespread agreement that urgent international action is needed to stem the ongoing destructions of our planet's biodiversity. So, parties to the UN Convention on Biological Diversity are currently negotiating the post 2020 Global Biodiversity Framework, which will shape efforts to protect our planet for the coming decades. However, disagreements have arisen regarding how to treat digital sequence information (DSI). In the new framework, scientists have a long and successful history of sharing DSI openly on the web. This culture of sharing is central to biodiversity research and has driven technological advances in fields as diverse as medicine, food security, and green energy production. Online databases contain DSI for many hundreds of thousands of organisms and grow in size each day. These widely used resources support scientific reproducibility, transparency, and advancement. DSI sharing, for example, was crucial to the rapid development of SARS CoV-2 tests and vaccines. In this new publication, the authors, including those from the Wellcome Sanger Institute, suggest a policy mechanism that would create a positive feedback loop to incentivize countries to generate and share DSI on their biodiversity while distributing benefits from its use equitably. The authors argue that such a policy mechanism must be multilateral to be successful, which means that nations around the world must cooperate and agree on common rules. So, the authors of this work also call on policymakers to engage with researchers in their countries who depend on access to DSI so that any policy solutions will not hinder crucial biodiversity research. Open access to digital sequence information accelerates research that is fundamental for tackling a range of global challenges, from the surveillance of pathogenic diseases to conservation of biodiversity. So, therefore, it is imperative that negotiators agree on a benefit sharing mechanism for digital sequence information that protects open access and does not hinder scientific research. Crucially, the views and experiences of scientists from around the world who are the key users and providers of digital sequence information must be central to these policies discussion, says David Nicholson. So that's all about this video. If you like my video, then like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon to never miss an update and comment below. Thank you.